If you're tired of dealing with unreliable welds or just want to upgrade your setup, it might be time for a new machine. Not only can it make your work easier and more precise, but the right one can also save you time and frustration. But with so many options out there, picking the right one can be tricky. That's why in this video, I'll be sharing my 6 favorite welding machines for 2025. Whether you're a professional welder or a weekend DIYer, there's something on my list for each of you. All the links to find the best prices on all the welders mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the welders are in no exact order, so be sure to stay till the end so you don't miss anything. Number 6 is the Yes Welder Flux 135 Pro. This is the most budget-friendly option on our list. This compact, gasless MIG welder is perfect for home DIYers, hobbyists, and small repair projects. It is designed to be user-friendly while still delivering solid welding performance. What makes this welder stand out is its inverter technology, which provides stable arc performance and better efficiency compared to traditional welders. With 135 ampere output, it is capable of handling mild steel up to 3/8 of an inch thick, which makes it ideal for household repairs, automotive fixes, and light fabrication work. Another great feature is its automatic wire feeding and adjustable voltage, which provides smooth, spatter-free welds even for beginners. As Mike puts it, exceeded my expectations. I'm no welder, but this machine makes me look like one. Purchased this for exhaust repairs. Welds large gaps with ease. Unit seems to be well made with ample features. Now, it is also lightweight at just under 12 pounds, so moving it around your workspace is hassle-free. For safety, it includes thermal overload protection to prevent overheating and extend the lifespan of the machine. Plus, it operates on a standard 110-volt household outlet, so you will not need any special power setup. Overall, if you are looking for an affordable welder that does not require gas, it's a solid choice. Number 5 is the ARC Captain MIG 200. This is the best option for beginners. This multi-process welding machine is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for those who are just starting out. It supports MIG, flux core, arc, and lift TIG welding, so you can freely work on home projects, automotive repairs, or light fabrications. One of its standout features is the synergic control system, which automatically adjusts the voltage and wire speed based on your selected settings. This means you get consistent, high-quality welds with minimal effort. Plus, the digital display makes it simple to fine-tune adjustments. With a 200 ampere output, this welder can handle materials up to half an inch thick, so it's powerful enough for most general welding tasks. It operates on both a 110-volt and a 220-volt power supply to give you the flexibility to work in different settings. Another great feature is its intelligent protection system, which includes overheating, overcurrent, and overload protection to extend the machine's lifespan and safety. It also has a lightweight, compact design with a built-in handle, so moving it around is easy. Overall, if you are a beginner and want to take the guesswork out of welding, this can be your next best investment. Number 4 is the Deco Pro 160A MMA. This is the best portable option on our list. It's the most compact, but don't let the size fool you because its performance is impressive. It's a great pick for home repairs, metal fabrication, and even some light industrial work. Plus, with the MMA welding process, you get strong, reliable welds with less hassle. One of the standout features is its adjustable welding voltage, letting you fine-tune settings for the perfect weld. The arc is super stable, meaning less spatter and a cleaner finish. It also has a special control circuit that keeps the welding process smooth and efficient. With 160 ampere output, this machine can handle mild steel, stainless steel, and cast iron with ease. It works on both a 110-volt and a 220-volt power supply, so you can use it in different workspaces. As Frank says, great little welder. I was very pleased with its performance and how portable it is. Works very well on 110 volts, but I use 220 volts because I have it available. Now, another thing I love about this welder is its durability. It has a tough, high-intensity body with a solid frame and handle, which makes it easy to carry and store. It also comes with a high-efficiency cooling fan that kicks in instantly to prevent overheating. while the built-in protection system helps keep things safe by preventing overload and voltage fluctuations. Overall, if you're looking for a portable welder that delivers pro-level results, it's a solid choice. And if you want to know the latest prices of the welders discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 3 is the Miller Multimatic 220 AC and DC. This is the best heavy-duty option on our list. It lets you tackle MIG, flux cord stick, and both AC and DC TIG welding all with one machine. Whether you are working on light industrial applications, farm and ranch projects, or heavy fabrication, this powerhouse has you covered. One of its standout features is QuickTech technology, which automatically switches to the correct process and determines polarity, so the MIG gun and TIG torch can stay connected at the same time. With Auto Set Elite and Pro Set features, its setup is quick and easy. The 3.5-inch color LCD provides an intuitive interface, so even complex settings feel simple. With a maximum output of 230 amperes for MIG and 210 amperes for TIG, it can handle materials up to 3/8 of an inch thick in a single pass. The multi-voltage plug allows it to connect seamlessly to both 120-volt and a 240-volt power sources, or even a generator with at least 10,000 watts output without needing any extra tools. Plus, it comes with essential accessories, including the MDX 100 MIG gun, a TIG torch, a flux cord wire drive roll, and a heavy-duty foot control, so you are ready to weld right out of the box. If you are looking for a heavy-duty welder that delivers outstanding performance, it's a top choice. Number 2 is the WeldPro TIG 200. This is the best value option on our list. It's a dual-voltage, multi-process machine that offers both TIG and stick welding, which makes it suitable for both professionals and hobbyists. What makes this welder stand out is its advanced inverter technology, which ensures a smooth, stable arc for precise welding. With an output range of 5 to 200 amperes, it can handle everything from thin aluminum to thick steel, making it ideal for automotive work, metal fabrication, and even artistic welding projects. A big plus is the AC and DC capability. This means you can weld both aluminum and steel, unlike DC-only machines. The digital display and intuitive controls make adjusting your settings easy, while the pulse function helps prevent warping on thin materials. It also comes with a CK17 torch that's known for its durability and comfort. Plus, you also get a foot pedal for precise heat control. The Superflex cable also reduces strain to make long welding sessions more comfortable. For safety and performance, it features overload protection and a high-efficiency cooling system. To prevent overheating, it runs on both 115-volt and a 230-volt power supply, so you can use it in different settings without issue. If you want the best value for money TIG welder that delivers top-tier performance, it's an excellent choice. Number 1 is the Millermatic 2-1-1 MIG welder. This is the overall best option on our list. This high-performance MIG welder offers smooth and precise welding with minimal effort. One of its biggest advantages is advanced auto set, which automatically adjusts the settings for optimal performance based on material thickness and wire diameter. This makes it incredibly easy to get clean, professional welds, even if you're not a seasoned welder. With an output range of 30 to 235 amperes, it can handle mild steel, stainless steel, and aluminum up to 3/8 of an inch thick. It also features smooth start technology, which eliminates spatter and ensures a flawless arc start every time. This welder operates on both a 120-volt and a 240-volt power supply, so you can use it in your garage, workshop, or job site with ease. Plus, it weighs just under 38 pounds, which makes it portable too. Another standout feature is the fan on demand, which only activates the fan when needed to reduce noise and dust buildup inside the machine. It also includes thermal overload protection for long-term durability and safety. So if you're looking for the best all-around MIG welder that delivers professional-grade results, it's the ultimate choice. And there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect welders much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.